Hello, good morning student. Till now we have done chapter algebraic linear equation in one variable 6a. Now today we are going to start self practice 6b. Okay. So before starting, in the previous one you are solving with the help of bracket. Now you have to solve with the help of fraction variables. Okay. Now see the first question, how it is. Now see, and here you have to check your answer also. So x by 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. As we were doing previously, x by 2 will remain here and this 5 will go to the right hand side and sign will become minus. So 8 minus 5, it is 3. And this 2 will be multiplied here because here it is in division. So when it will go to the right hand side, it will be multiplied. So what you will get, x is equal to 3 into 2 and that will be equal to 6. Correct? See, firstly you have changed the position of 5, 8 minus 5, 3 and x by 2, so this 2 will be multiplied by 3. So x is equal to 3 into 2 and therefore x is equal to 6. In the second part, you have to check your answer. So how you will check? Putting the value of x in the equation. Correct? So here x you got it as 6. So you have written 6 by 2. Correct? Plus 5. So 6 by 2 means when you divide 6 by 2 you will get 3. And 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And same 8 here you are also getting. So hence it is correct. Okay? It is correct. When you are getting, after putting the value same answer means this question is correct. Now let's see the B part. Second, y by 3 minus 1 equal to 7. Okay. Now what you will do? This minus 1 will go to the right hand side. So it will become y by 3 is equal to 7 plus 1. So therefore y will be equal to 8 into 3. So y will be equal to 24. Okay. Again you see y by 3 minus 1. So y by 3 will be remaining here. So y by 3 is equal to 7 and minus 1 going that side will become plus 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. So what will be the value of y? Y is equal to this 3 will be multiplied here. 8 into 3. Y is equal to 24. Now check the answer. Check the answer. Put y is equal to 24. So what you will have? 24 upon 3 minus 1, which will be 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. Hence it is correct. Okay. Now I am repeating this once more. Y by 3 minus 1 is equal to 7. 1 will come to the right hand side. It will become 7 plus 1, 8. So y is equal to 8 into 3. So y is equal to 8 3s are 24. Same way when you have to check the value. So y is equal to 24. 24 by 3 minus 1. So 24 by 3 means 8 and 8 minus 1, 7. So you see there you are getting in the right hand side 7. Getting? Hence the answer is correct. Is you are having any problem here? Any confusion? So let's now move to third question. Third one, 2 minus n by 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Now what you will have? Minus n by 3 is equal to 5 minus 2 implies that n minus n is equal to 5 2s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So you will have m is equal to, we never take negative sign on the left hand side with the variable. When you have to find the values, you will never take negative sign with the variable. That's why I shifted this minus to the right hand side. So then n becomes minus 9. Okay. Now check the answer. Checking of answer. Two minus 9 by 3. So minus 9 by 3. Okay. Which is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Hence it is correct. Okay. You got here? Let's see. 2 minus n by 3 is equal to 5. So you will have minus n by 3 is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. And minus n and 3 is here in the denominator, so here it will become multiply. The 3 3s are 9. We will never take minus on with the variable, to minus we have shifted it. Here it become minus 9. Correct? Now you have to check your answer. The 2 minus 9 by 3. Correct? Minus 9 you are getting here, na? So minus 9 by 3 means 3 3s are 9 and minus will become plus. So 2 plus 3, 5. So your answer is correct. Okay. If you are getting some different value, then you may say that your answer is not correct. So hence here your answer is correct. Now move to fourth question. M by 40 minus 7 equal to 0. Okay. Then what it will become? M by 40, 0 plus 7 will be 7 only. So imply that M is equal to 7 into 40, which is equal to 2. M is equal to 280. 7 was 28. It will be equal to 280. Now see once more. M upon 40 minus 7 equal to 0. So M upon 40 will be equal to 7, because minus 7, when it will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 7. So it will be 7. Now M is equal to 7 into 40. So 4 7s are 28. M is equal to 280. Correct? Now you have to check your answer. So you will have 280. Put M is equal to 280. 280 upon 40 minus 7. So this will be equal to 7 minus 7, which is equal to 0. Hence it is correct. Is it correct? You can see again, M by 40 minus 7 equal to 0. So M upon 40 is equal to 7, because 7 will be shifted towards the right hand side. So M is equal to 7 into 40, that is equal to 280. Now you see on the right hand side, you have to check your answer. So firstly what you will do, you will put M is equal to 280. So 280 upon 40 minus 7 means, 280 upon 40 means 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So hence it is correct. Okay? Are you getting all this or not? If you are not getting, then you may ask your confusion by posting comment in your comment box. And I hope so you must be getting. Now see the fifth question. Two x upon 5 minus 18 is equal to minus 24. So what you will have? 2x upon 5 is equal to minus 24 plus 18, which further implies that x is equal to minus 24 plus 18. What you will have? 14 minus 8, 6 minus 6. So what you will have? Now here x will be minus 6 into 5 upon 2, and 2 you will cancel it by 3. X is equal to minus 15. Okay? X is equal to minus 15. Correct? You check once more. 2x upon 5 is equal to minus 24, and then this minus will go that side, it will become plus 18. So 2x by 5 minus 24 plus 18 is equal to minus 6. Correct? Now x is equal to, this will do the reciprocal and it will multiply on the right hand side. So minus 6 into 5 by 2. 2 by 5 will become 5 by 2. Now 2 3s are 6. Now 3 5s are 15. So minus 15. Okay, x is equal to minus 15. Now you should check your answer. Put x is equal to minus 15. So you will have 2 into minus 15 upon 5 minus 18. So you see 5, we can cancel it by 3. So minus 6 minus 18, which is equal to minus 24. Hence it is correct. Okay. What do we have? We check once more. 2x upon 5 minus 18 is equal to minus 24. The 2x by 5 will be on the left hand side, and minus 24 and minus 18 when it comes towards the right hand side, it will become plus 18. Minus 24 plus 18, it will be equal to minus 6, and x is equal to minus 6 into 5 by 2. The 2 3s are 6, so it will be x equal to minus 15. Now you have to check your answer. So you will put x is equal to minus 15. The 2 into minus 15 upon 5. The 5 3s are 15. The 2 into minus 3, it will be minus 6, and minus 6 and minus 18 will be minus 24. Now you can see that minus 24 is on the right hand side. So hence the answer is correct. Now see the question number 6. N by 2 plus n by 3 is equal to 5. So first of all, what you will do? You will find the LCM of 2 and 3, which is equal to 6. Okay. Now 3n, 2 into 3 plus 2n, 3 into 2 is equal to 5. Now see here, base becomes 6 and 3n plus 2n, 5n upon 6 is equal to 5. n is equal to 5 into 6 upon 5. n is equal to 6. 5 and 5 cancel out, so n will be equal to 6. Okay. Now see once more. Firstly, you will take the LCM of 2 and 3. That will be equal to 6. Now 3n means after taking LCM, you will make denominator also equivalent. The 2 3s are 6, so 3n. 3 2s are 6, so 2n. Okay, you will multiply with the same number in numerator and denominator, equal to 5. So now you can see 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. Denominator is same. Here it will come 6. 2n plus 3n, 5n is equal to 5. n is equal to 5 into 6 by 5. n is equal to 6. Now put n is equal to 6. So 6 by 2 plus 6 by 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Hence it is correct. Okay. At last you will put the value of n. So 6 by 2 plus 6 by 3. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 and 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Hence it is correct. Okay. See once more. n by 2 plus n by 3 is equal to 5. So you will take the LCM of 2 and 3, which is equal to 6. So 3n upon 6 plus 2n upon 6 is equal to 5. So when you will add 3n plus 2n, 5n by 6, the n will be equal to 5 into 6 by 5 and 5 cancel out, n will be equal to 6. Now put n equal to 6, so 6 by 2 plus 6 by 3, so it will be equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Hence your answer is correct. Any confusion up till here? Okay, no confusion. Then let's move to question number 7. Six 1 by 2 plus 1 whole 1 by 2 1 minus 2x is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now firstly convert into improper. 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 13 by 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 1 minus 2x is equal to minus 4. Now see here, 13 by 2. Now you should open this bracket. Plus 3 minus 3 2s are 6x upon 2 is equal to minus 4. Now I will multiply this 2 on the right hand side. So it will be 13 plus 3 minus 6x and 4 2s are minus 8. So you will have it here minus 6x is equal to minus 8 minus 13. Minus 13 plus 3 16. So you will have it 6x x is equal to 24 upon 6, where x is equal to 4. Correct? Now see once more. 6 1 by 2 means 6 2s are 12, 13 by 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, and 1 minus 2x is equal to minus 4. Now you will 13 by 2 and this you will multiply inside the bracket. The 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. 3 minus 6x upon 2 is equal to minus 4. Now this 2 both are same, so I am multiplying on the right hand side. So minus 4 into 2 minus 8. So 13 plus 3 16 minus 6x is equal to minus 8. Minus 6x is equal to minus 8 minus 16 which is equal to minus 24. Now you see minus will be on both the sides, so I have cancelled it and I have divided x is equal to 24 by 6. We know that 6 4s are 24. Now check your answer. Put x is equal to 4. So 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 1 minus 2 into 4. 2 into 4 means 8. Now 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2 and 1 minus 8 minus 7. Okay. So you will have 13 by 2 plus minus 7 3 is 21 by 2. And it will be minus 11 minus 3 8 minus 8 upon 2 which is equal to minus 4. Hence it is correct. Okay. Now see here, once more I am telling 6 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 2, 1 minus 2x is equal to minus 4. So this will become 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2 and 1 minus 2x will remain like this is equal to minus 4. So 13 by 2 plus you will multiply inside 3 minus 6x upon 2 is equal to minus 4. This 2 will be multiplied here, so it will become 4 2s are 8 minus 8. So 13 plus 3 minus 6x is equal to minus 8. So minus 6x is equal to minus 8 minus 16 equal to 24 upon 6. Okay, x is equal to 24 upon 6. So x is equal to 4. Now you check your answer by putting x is equal to 4. So 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 1 minus 2 into 4 means 4 2s are 8. So 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7 and 3 into minus 7 is equal to minus 21. So 13 minus 21 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 upon 2 is equal to minus 4. Correct? Or any confusion? Correct. Now come to question number 8. X minus 3 upon 5 minus 5x minus 3 upon 8 is equal to 1. So LCM of 5 and 8 is equal to 40. Correct? Now whatever number to make 40 I will multiply here, same it's multiplied here. They will have 8 4x minus 3 upon 5 minus 5x minus 3 upon Here it will become 5 into 8 and here it will be 8 into 5. Okay. Now 8 4s are 32x minus 24 minus 25x plus 15 is equal to 8 5s are 40. This 40 will be multiplied here 1 into 40 40. Now 32 x minus 25x. So 7x is equal to 40 minus 24 plus 15. So minus 24 plus 15 means 9. 11 sorry, no. 5 plus 4, 9. So minus 9, when it will go here it will become plus 9. Okay. Now you will have 7x is equal to 49. So you will have x is equal to 49 upon 7, which is further equal to x is equal to 7. Okay. Please see this question very carefully. I am telling you once more. Okay. Don't get confused. Till now you are having very small question, not one big question came in front of you. See it very carefully. 4x minus 3 upon 5 minus 5x minus 3 upon 8 is equal to 1. Firstly, you will find the LCM of 5 and 8, which is equal to 40. You will multiply 8 by this whole and 5 by this whole. It is clearly mentioned also. The 8 4s are 32x minus 8 3s are minus 24. 5 5s are 25x, so minus 25x, and 5 minus minus it will become 5 3s are 15 plus 15. This 40 is multiplied on the right hand side, so it becomes 1 into 40, 40. So 7x is equal to 40 plus 9. So 7x is equal to 49. So x is equal to 49 by 7. So further x is equal to 7. Okay. It is clear because I have to show whether it is correct or not. I have to rub all this. So again I can't do. So I think it is clear to you all. Okay. Now you have to put x is equal to 7 for checking. So I am rubbing it here. Now x, put x is equal to 7. So you will have 4 into 7 minus 3 upon 5, then minus 5 into 7 minus 3 upon 8, which is equal to 28 minus 3 upon 5, 35 minus 3 upon 8. 28 minus 3 how much? 25 by 5 minus 32 by 8. So 25 by 5 it is 5 and 32 by 8 means 4. So 5 minus 4 equal to 1. This was only the answer you have to take. Get now? See once more. You have to put x is equal to 7. So 4 7s are 28 and 28 minus 3 upon 5. So 28 minus 3 25 and 25 by 5 5. You got it here? Now see 5 7s are 35. 35 minus 3 32. 32 by 8. That is equal to 4. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So it is correct or not? Say whether it is correct or not. Okay, it is correct. Now let's move to question number 9.